In this video, I will guide you through the essential process of setting up and configuring webhooks within N8N. Webhooks are incredibly powerful because they allow different applications to communicate with each other in real time. To get started, you first need to open up a fresh, empty N8N workflow. Once you are looking at your blank canvas, go ahead and click the Add First Step button, or you can simply click the plus icon located directly on the grid. Now, a search bar will appear where you should type in the word webhook. You will see it listed under the Triggers section, so go ahead and select it. After the node appears on your canvas, you need to double-click it to open the configuration menu and customize how it actually listens for incoming data. The first setting you will see is the HTTP method. By default, this is set to POST, which is exactly what you want if an external service is pushing data directly to you. However, you should change this to GET if your goal is to pull parameters straight out of a specific URL string. Next up is the path setting. This unique text forms the ending of your webhook URL. While N8N usually generates a random string of characters for you, it is much better to change this to something readable like Shopify new orders so you can stay organized. Finally, let us look at the response setting. This dictates exactly what N8N tells the external service after it successfully receives a payload. By default, it sends back an HTTP 200 OK message to confirm everything went smoothly. If the specific app you are connecting requires a complex handshake or a custom token response, you can change this parameter to using Respond to Webhook node instead. This gives you full control over the communication. Now you have added webhook to your workflow. Thank you for watching.